Okay, so that's my 1986 KLR 250 with 8,776 miles. This thing will not start in cold weather or nothing. I rolled it down the hill, couldn't bump start it, did that twice, finally had to pull it behind the truck, and after about half a block it finally kicked over. So that's how these things are in the cold. Just near impossible to get started. But I took a heat gun and heated up this section right here. It's the intake of the carburetor. I heated it up really well both sides, and then I heated up the carburetor as much as I could, and got it to the point where it just felt warm. And one kick